Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to use the divide function in Power BI. So this is a DAX function. Let us start. I've got this Power BI file open here with me, and I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. I've posted the link in the video notes so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So I'll quickly go to the fact internet sales table and we'll just look at the data for that. So let's say I want to find out, let's just go back to fact internet sales, and let me scroll to the right here, and I've got the sales amount and I've got the total product cost. And let's say I want to find out the percentage of cost to the sales amount. So how do we do that? So all we need to do over here is go here and say new measure. So you can do it either way. You can create a column or a measure. We will use a measure and then we'll just drop it and show you what I mean in this specific case. So we'll just say cost as percentage of sales amount is equal to, and I'll start typing divide, and you can see it gives me the options, and I need to give the numerator, which is the total cost. Total product cost. So we'll take that, close the brackets, and then we'll say sum of sales amount, and I'll again close the bracket and close it finally, and I'll hit enter. So now let's just go to the report tab and quickly create another one, and I'll grab this. So if you look at it, it is 0.59, so it is a percentage. Let's just go and change the format. So go to the modeling tab. Yep, so let's just go back here and change the format to percentage, and it is saying that it's roughly the cost as percentage of sales amount is roughly 60%. Convert it into a table, and I'll also get the cost. And I'll get the sales amount, and I'll just put the sales amount here as well. So you can see that it is roughly less than 60%, which makes sense. And then I can also put in maybe product category to see by product category how it. So let's just use English product category here and bring that in and maximize this chart. And you can see that the maximum profit we are making is on clothing, and then we've got bikes, and then we've got accessories. So we've learned how to use the divide function from DAX to calculate the cost as a percentage of sales amount, and we've formatted that as a percentage field and displayed it. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers. Bye.